Hi, Uncle Robin. Drayden wanted to say thank you for his Christmas present. Drayden, what do you say?
Thank you.
To who?
Uncle Robin.
And show him what it does.
The other one, make him come up.
This is our third time, and of course, our very first 2 times were perfect. Well done!
Yay.
You gonna tell Uncle Robin Merry Christmas and bye?
Bye. Merry Christmas.
Good job. And Caitlin, you gonna say thank you for your noisemaker. Uncle Robin got Caitlin a nice noisemaker that makes white noise so that she can sleep while Drayden's doing this. Paul,
Pictures.
this is a video. Say hi to Uncle Robin.
Hi, Uncle Robin.